Hello everyone, welcome to Concept Ninjas. Concept Ninjas is a software company based in Pune. We provide lead automation services for businesses where we integrate all the lead generation sources like website, Facebook, social classifiers like Sulekha, Just Dial. So we integrate your all lead generation sources and we help you to automate all the lead details into a single platform in a real time, thereby reducing the lead bill to zero. And we help you to manage your leads in a proper way and in turn increase your business by 50%. So all the integrations, lead generation sources integration will be done either through API integration or through mailbox integration. Once the integration is done, the business will be getting a dedicated admin login credentials. So right now I'm logging in with the demo credentials. So when you log in, you will be landing in the admin dashboard where you can see all the leads which are automated from different lead generation sources. This is the dashboard where you can see these details like name, mail ID, mobile, course, source, status, remarks, location, inquiry time. So these are the details which are automated from different lead generation sources. These headers will be customizable based on your business. So once you get this is the automation for your real-time inquiries. So even Concept Ninjas, we have a provision to import manual inquiries as well. If you have static data or bulk data, we do provide the provision to import those data in a single click. So just click on the add invite. You will be redirected to page add inquiry where you can add the details as per the table, or if you have bulk data, you can download the template. Based on the template, copy and paste the data, and once the Excel is saved, you can import the contacts from the saved Excel and you can import it to the dashboard in a single click. So this is about automating your leads from different lead generation sources, and also you can import the data manually as well. Okay, so once you get the admin login, we also have a provision to create the user logins. You can go to profile. Here you will see the team tab where you can create the user login. Along with the user login, we also, Concept Ninjas also have a provision to assign the roles. There are different roles we have listed like counselor, finance, placement officer, trainer, like that, so that you can give the access permission to the particular user only for the respected module. For example, if you assign for a user, if you assign the counselor role, counselor can have only access to lead dashboard where they can work on the leads like updating the leads, putting the remarks, sending email, SMS. So they can totally work on the leads, but they cannot download and delete the data. So only admin has those permissions, so that between the users, we also maintain the data privacy. So once you create the user logins, system automatically allocates the leads to the user in a round robin fashion. So for example, if you have two users, first lead comes will be assigned to user 1, second comes will be assigned to user 2, and the third again to the user 1. So system only auto allocates the leads to the user. Okay, admin can see all the data, but user, when they log in with their user credentials, they can only see the leads which are allocated to them. They cannot see other users' data. And once they get the lead, the next part is the management part. So once they reach that particular lead, give the required information, and after having the conversation, the users can set the different lead status to the user. So you can click on the edit option. Update status pop-up will be shown, where you can edit and update the basic details of the user. And you can also set the different lead status for that particular lead. By default, we have listed these many status. If you want to have more number of more status apart from these, you can add it through the profile part. And suppose for a lead, if that particular lead needs a follow-up, in that case you can set the status as follow-up, put the future follow-up date, time, and put the remarks. Here what happens, on that particular day, before 15 minutes of the time which you have set, the user will receive a follow-up reminder notification. So that before 15 minutes and one more at exact time, so that system makes sure that no follow-up will be missed. And even you can set the different status like hot lead, warm lead. So all these options will be there. And even based on your conversation, you can select the probability of conversion like low, medium, and high. And this is the timeline option, where you can see all the history remarks of that particular lead. The recent remarks will be shown in the UI, and the rest history remarks will be recorded in the timeline, like when the lead has landed and when the first contact has been made, who has contacted that particular lead, what was the remarks. So all these, whatever you work on that particular lead will be recorded in the timeline. And through our Concept Ninjas platform, you can also manage a bulk email and SMS promotions as well. So we have a email promotion where you can manage your email templates through profile. So once you save the email templates, all the saved templates will be listed in the drop-down list, or you can create an instant email, attach the file, and you can share it to the, you can do the bulk promotions as well. The same way SMS also works. And we do have a filter option where you can categorize all your data based on these parameters like status, course, source, location, and even the user wise, that is owner. And Concept Ninjas have an option of sending WhatsApp message. As it is a web WhatsApp integration, you need to log into the web WhatsApp login, and then on clicking this icon, it will be redirected to your web WhatsApp, and you can send the messages, videos one by one. And this is the follow-ups, like where if you click on this follow-ups, you will be, all the follow-ups will be listed in the order of current date followed by the recent dates. So it helps you to segregate your follow-ups and the fresh leads. And we do also have an analytics part where you can get the graphical analysis of your data based on these parameters. For example, like if you want to have a source-wise status, enter the date interval, click on get graph, so that the graphical representation for that source-wise status will be shown to you. This indicates these are the sources along with the numbers, number of leads, and what are the status of those leads. For example, Magicbricks has got 147 leads, and one out of that 103 are in joint status, 40 are in invited, one is cold lead, like that. And we have a search option where you can search the lead based on the name, email, and mobile number. And at any point of time, you can Excel export the data on one click. On clicking this export inquiries with timeline, all the data will be downloaded with your history timeline remarks of the leads. And we do also have an admin dashboard where admin can have a business insight in terms of sales as well as revenue. By default, a month data will be displayed, and also you can also customize the date as per your requirement. So this is about the Concept Ninja's lead management part. Once we do also have a payment management. So once the lead is converted, so for example, consider this lead. This lead, sorry, consider this lead. So after taking follow up, so this lead has converted. So what I'll do, so I'll change the status to joined. Once I change the status to joined and I'll update that particular lead, the copy of this particular lead will be migrated to admissions part, where further you can manage the payment part of that particular lead. So here you can see the data has been migrated with the basic details like name, mail ID, mobile number, source, and the counselor who has converted that particular lead. So now next step is to add the payment and the personal details. So here you can add the payment and personal details. And here in the profile, you have an option to maintain your list of courses along with the standard fees. So once you maintain the list, you will see the drop down list here. So on selecting a course, automatically the standard fees will be shown here. And add the details. Now here you have an option to add the installments. Here what happens if you divide the installments priorly, like in the second installment based on the based on the leads confirmation, you can put the tentative date of future payment date. So here what happens if you change the status to paid, we have different modes. So once you change the status to paid and you update, automatically the receipt will be generated and it is shared to the candidate's mail ID, a copy to your registered mail ID, and you also have an option to download the receipt. So here, when you click on download option, the receipt will be downloaded, which is in the PDF format with your logo, address, and concerned authority stamp and signature. I'll just show you the receipt. So this is the PDF format of the receipt. So if you have your own receipt template, you can share it with us. So we will integrate your template. And for this, the second installment, along with the receipt, we also send an acknowledgement SMS to the candidate. And for the second installments, system automatically sends an payment reminder before 7 days of the time of the date which you have set, and before 3 days, and continuously till the due date. If he pays within the time, so you can just change the status to pay, so that the automated reminder will be stopped sending to that particular lead. If he doesn't pay, even after the due date also, system automatically sends a pending payment reminder for the next 10 days. And after 10th day, it will be moved to the defaulter list. I'll show you. So if you want to see the defaulter list, you just click on the pending payments button. So it will list all the defaulter candidates. So in the payment management also, we do have a email and SMS feature, and we have a filter option to filter the leads based on these parameters. And we do have a reporting system where you can download the report based on collection, joinees, and pending payments. So you can either download it for the custom duration or duration date, or you can download monthly wise. We do have a search option where you can search the lead either by name, mail ID, and mobile number. And we have a download option where you can download the data in the Excel format. So this is about the payment management part. Apart from this lead management and payment management, Concept Ninjas also provide an add-on services, that is attendance management, multiple branch management, that is hierarchy, attendance management, and expense management. So this is about the lead automation and management platform of Concept Ninjas. Thank you.